This is the ramp that we purchased for our French Bulldog, Vinny, but we do allow Vinny to get up onto the bed. So our bed is about 27 to 28 inches in height, and this is not a distance that I want Vinny to be jumping. So for peace of mind, I decided to invest in this ramp. It has several levels, as you can see. It's very easy to put together. So right out of the box, what you get is 3 pieces, the ramp and the 2 safety shelves. These are optional. You don't have to put them, but I decided to put them just because this is new for Vinny and I wanted to see, you know, how he's gonna act and make sure that he doesn't fall over in the mornings when he's just barely awake. What I love about this ramp is that it has a rubber surface, so it provides a lot of traction for Vinny to get up and down. I purchased some in the past that are carpet, and Vinny was just struggling. He was really sliding down. This side safety panel here, you can put on this side or you can put it on this side. And as I said, there's a safety panel for the top. Another nice feature about this one is that there's a slope here. And so there is a little spot for Vinny to kind of brace himself and get onto the bed and get down. I absolutely love it. It's very sturdy. And as you can see, Vinny will sometimes just jump halfway and come down. It really scares me when Vinny jumps off of the bed. And I decided, you know, what am I waiting for? This is an accident waiting to happen. Just get the ramp. And I'm so happy that I did. So if you have a dog that you allow on your bed and you just want some peace of mind or they need some extra help, I absolutely recommend this ramp.